Kids Zone with Trishy. One, two, three, do the dinosaur. It started long ago in the middle of the jungle. The ground began to jiggle and to wiggle and to rumble. A dinosaur called Tom tapped the rhythm on a tree. And he beckoned all his buddies, shouting, "Come and copy me!" He stood up on his tiptoes and he slashed his giant claws. "Now open wide!" he shouted. "Let's all chomp our dino jaws!" Chomp, chomp, chomp. Let's do the dinosaur. Tiptoes. One, and he slashed his giant claws. Roar. He arched his spiky back, and then he shook his shiny scales. "Now swag your hips," he ordered. "Show me how you swish your tails." Swish, 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 let's do the dinosaur. One, two, three, and everybody roar! "You're looking good," said Tom. "But tell me, can you stomp around?" He lifted up his feet and crashed them loudly on the ground. Stomp, 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 let's do the dinosaur. One, two, three, and everybody roar! The little one said, "Quiet, Tom, we're making quite a din." Tom paused. "You're right," he whispered. Then he added with a grin, "Let's do it really quietly. We'll take it from the top. We'll chomp and swish and stomp, and uh-oh, everybody stop!" Uh-oh, the little one said, "Run for it!" And all the dinos hid. They said, "Do you think he saw us?" And Tom answered, "He so did." The T-Rex slashed his claws around. He chomped his giant jaws. He swished his tail. He stomped his feet. He gave three mighty roars. Roar, roar, roar. "What's all this dancing for? Can I try joining in as well?" Tom frowned, then shouted, "Sure! Just copy all the actions and you'll quickly know the score. You chomp, you swish, and stomp about, and that's the dinosaur. Chop, swish, stomp, let's do the dinosaur. One, two, three, and everybody roar!" The little one was sleepy now. "Me too," the T-Rex said. "Then everybody copy me," said Tom. "It's time for bed." Yawn, yawn, yawn. We've done the dinosaur. One, two, three, and everybody snore. The end.